Hey, and welcome back to the second part of our ACT video series. If you missed the first part, have a look at the description below. You'll find the link over here. In the previous video, we introduced the IxAdmin tool and guided you through its installation and the process of firmware flashing. Today, we'll focus on project setup and bus configuration. So, get ready to learn about how to start your projects easily with the ACT tool. Let's get started. First things first, let's create a new project. To do this, start by opening the Ixxat ACT tool. Head to the File menu on the top left corner. From the drop-down, select New Project. You'll be presented with a range of project templates. For this tutorial, choose the Gateway template and select your target platform. Remember, the bus configuration can be modified later, so don't worry if you're not entirely certain about your setup now. Now it's time to give your project a name. Next, specify the project path where all your files will be saved. Once you've entered all the details, simply click on Finish. Now your screen should look like this. As mentioned before, you can now concentrate on configuring the required buses. Moving on to the next topic, the bus configuration. Open the bus configuration. This is where you'll manage and set up all the physical and virtual buses for your project. Here you have the option to add or remove buses based on your project requirements. Dive deeper into each bus to fine-tune its settings, ensuring optimal performance and compatibility. Lastly, you are also able to add bus description databases. For example, DBC or AR-XML. Okay, and that's it. You've successfully set up a new project and configured the bus in the ACT tool. Keep experimenting and you'll become an expert in no time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.